Some mysteries in science have answers waiting just beneath the surface, but others remain so confusing, so unsettling, and so impossible to explain that even the world's top researchers are genuinely disturbed by them. These aren't myths or stories. These are real scientific mysteries that experts still can't solve. And the deeper we look into them, the stranger they get. Here are 30 unsolved scientific mysteries that still scare researchers. Mystery 1. Dark matter makes up about 85% of the entire universe, yet no scientist has ever seen it, touched it, or detected it directly. It shapes galaxies, bends light, and holds the cosmos together, but nobody knows what it is. It's like the universe is built on something completely invisible. Mystery 2. Dark energy is even stranger. It's pushing the universe apart faster and faster, like space itself wants to tear its own fabric open. Researchers don't know where it comes from or why it exists. They only know it's getting stronger. Mystery 3. Some people wake up during surgery completely paralyzed but fully conscious. A medical phenomenon called anesthesia awareness. Doctors don't fully understand why anesthesia fails in rare cases, and patients often have trauma for life. Mystery 4. The WOW signal is a radio transmission from deep space detected in 1977. It matched the exact signature scientists expect from intelligent life. It lasted 72 seconds, and then disappeared forever. No one has been able to explain it. Mystery 5. The Tunguska event of 1908 flattened 80 million trees in Siberia with the power of a massive nuclear bomb. But there was no crater, no asteroid fragments, and no confirmed explanation. An explosion with no impact. Mystery 6. Ball lightning is a glowing sphere of electricity that appears during storms, floats through walls, and sometimes explodes. Thousands of people have reported it, but science still can't recreate it in a laboratory or explain how it works. Mystery 7. Antarctica has blood falls, where red liquid pours from a glacier like flowing blood. Scientists know it's iron-rich water, but they still can't fully explain how it remains liquid inside a glacier that should be frozen solid. Mystery 8. There are entire species in the ocean that glow, camouflage, or communicate using light. Yet we don't know how many exist. Researchers estimate that over 90% of deep-sea life is still undiscovered. Some creatures seen on camera have never been identified again. Mystery 9. The placebo effect can heal real illnesses with no medicine at all. The human brain can reduce pain, improve symptoms, and even cure some conditions simply because it believes it's being treated. No scientific model fully explains how powerful this effect truly is. Mystery 10. Quantum entanglement allows two particles to mirror each other instantly, even when separated by galaxies. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. We know it happens. We just don't know why it's possible. Mystery 11. People from around the world have described identical near-death experiences. Seeing the same tunnel, the same light, the same sensation of leaving their body. These similarities remain unexplained even as medical technology improves. Mystery 12. Mars once had oceans, rivers, and possibly life. But at some point, the planet's magnetic field vanished, the atmosphere collapsed, and everything froze. Scientists still can't explain what happened. Mystery 13. Saturn's moon Titan has rivers and lakes of liquid methane. It rains methane, evaporates methane, and forms methane clouds. An alien hydrological cycle that makes no sense to Earth-based physics. Mystery 14. The human brain suddenly switches off during deep anesthesia, but nobody knows what actually happens inside the mind during those lost hours. Consciousness seems to simply disappear and then reappear. Mystery 15. Fast radio bursts are incredibly powerful pulses coming from faraway galaxies. They release more energy in a millisecond than the sun does in days. Their source remains unknown. Mystery 16. The universe might be shaped like a giant loop. Some scientists propose that if you traveled in a straight line long enough, you would return to your starting point, but no experiment has proven or disproven it. Mystery 17. Every person on Earth has a unique microbiome. trillions of organisms living inside them. Researchers still have no idea why people's microbiomes differ so dramatically or how it affects personality, health, and behavior. Mystery 18. Some children remember details of past lives with accuracy that shocks researchers. Names, places, events. Many of these memories appear at age 2 and fade by age 6. Nothing in neuroscience explains it. Mystery 19. The Dyson sphere concept, an advanced alien structure built around a star, may have shown up in real astronomical data. One star, Tabby's star, dims in patterns that no natural explanation can fully match. Mystery 20. Jupiter gives off more energy than it receives from the sun. Something deep inside the planet is generating heat, and scientists still don't know what that something is. Mystery 21. Some people's bodies produce electric fields strong enough to interfere with electronics. Watches stop working, phones glitch, appliances break nearby. No physical cause has been identified. Mystery 22. The hum is a mysterious low-frequency noise heard in dozens of towns around the world. Only 2% of people can hear it, and no source has ever been found. Mystery 23. Black holes shouldn't exist, in theory. They break the known laws of physics by compressing matter into infinite density. We can see them, detect them, measure them, but we cannot explain them. Mystery 24. Time moves slower depending on where you are. Your feet are technically younger than your head because gravity affects the flow of time. This is proven, but the deeper meaning of it remains unknown. Mystery 25. Spontaneous human combustion has been documented for centuries. Cases where people burn to ash without igniting nearby objects. Modern science still can't explain the mechanism behind it. Mystery 26. Cosmic rays can flip bits inside computer processors, changing zeros to ones and corrupting data without any physical contact. They shoot through your body constantly, and you never feel them. Mystery 27. The Great Filter Hypothesis suggests that intelligent life destroys itself before becoming advanced enough to explore the galaxy. And the reason we haven't met aliens is because they're all gone. Mystery 28. Some stars simply vanish. Not explode, not fade, not collapse. Vanish. Several have disappeared from astronomical catalogs without any known mechanism for how that's possible. Mystery 29. The universe shouldn't exist at all. The Big Bang should have produced equal amounts of matter and antimatter, which should have annihilated each other instantly. Yet here we are, and nobody knows why. Mystery 30. Consciousness itself is still the ultimate mystery. We can map the brain, measure signals, and observe activity. But we don't know what awareness is, where thoughts truly come from, or why you experience reality the way you do. And those were 30 unsolved scientific mysteries that remind us how little we truly understand about the world, the universe, and even ourselves. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and tap the notification bell so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.